So, I'd say fairly is relative, meaning, depending on the circumstances of your beneficiaries, maybe you want them to have more than someone else, for instance, right? So when I hear you say fairly, I think evenly, right? And so if you have five children, then they each get 20%, right? But that's not always the case. Maybe one of the siblings has special needs and requires a little more financial assistance. So maybe they'll get 40% and then the remaining is split between them. So when we're talking about being fair, I think what's more important to understand is the wishes of whoever's estate it is. So you want to consider every beneficiary's needs, right? If you have a beneficiary that's doing really well, maybe the money won't really help them very much and it won't make a huge difference in their life. But another sibling or another beneficiary in this case, maybe it could make all the difference to them. So I think splitting it fairly is a relative term. I think, as long as your estate aligns with your wishes, and that's done through creating a will or a trust and having these documents in place, I think that's going to be the best way to split your assets. And then things like, once those documents are created, communicating that with the executor, who is the person who executes your estate when that happens, and making sure that everybody understands as best as they can how things will go in the event of your passing. So, having a clear understanding, making sure that the documents that you create are aligned with your wishes are going to go really far in terms of being fair with how you divvy up your estate.